Use of natural fireplace. What is a natural fireplace? Are natural gas fireplaces safe? Natural or natural appearing fireplaces are popular. In new home construction, natural gas fireplaces are increasingly becoming common. They offer a safe means of enhancing the appearance and ambience of a room. They are also advantageous, particularly if it is a natural gas fireplace with a blower. Why install a gas fireplace? Gas fireplaces may be put within a natural or existing fireplace. Regardless, they provide homeowners with a less messy alternative to wood fireplaces. The preference for natural gas fireplaces stems from certain qualities including 1. Energy efficiency. Natural gas fireplaces are more energy efficient than wood fireplaces. 2. Environmental. Natural gas is a cleaner burning fuel. 3. Maintenance. Natural gas furnaces require less maintenance both daily and annually. 4. Financial savings. Using natural gas will reduce the overall household energy bill. This is particularly valid if the appliance is a natural gas fireplace with a blower. Although a blower is not essential, the addition of one improves the overall efficiency of heat, further spreading it across the room. Blowers also reduce the time required for the heat to circulate effectively, therefore, further reducing energy costs. Choosing a natural gas fireplace. how it's usually done. Here's a mental picture of how modern or conventional fireplaces are mostly built in the US. They generally begin with an overly big, deep firebox. The part you place the wood in, where it actually burns. Unlike a lot of timber-light regions of Europe back in the day, the US has largely enjoyed a relative abundance of burnable wood, so by goodness we like our fires big, which means a huge firebox. Which as an aside can look awfully silly when we don't have a massive fire burning dot, so we're really just wasting wood now. But more on this later. Then this thing called a smoke shelf is built above the firebox, typically along with a bottom-mounted damper. These modern fireplaces often don't draw very well, and usually don't heat well, either. Sure, they look pretty, and hopefully smell good, and that's great. Again, if we were after purely heating efficiency or safety, we most certainly wouldn't cut a hole in our roofs and build a fire right there in the middle of our living room. Never mind all the problems this intentional hole in our roofs can cause. Nonetheless, we can still try and do better at these, right? As I said, I love fire, and fireplaces. There's something primal about fire. It's mesmerizing, satisfying, calming, the whole deal. The fireplace, the ceramic, and chimney all add aesthetic interest and appeal to a home, and they can absolutely improve a home's salability.
Which ones did you like? Share us your thoughts in the comments section. We hope you've enjoyed our today's content. If you do, please consider subscribing to our channel if you haven't already, and also smash that notification bell so that you will be the first one to be notified when we upload new videos. Thank you for watching until the end. We look forward to seeing you in our next video. Until then, stay safe and stay blessed.